Okay, and what was the biggest challenge that you faced when you were learning to become profitable trader?
The biggest challenge was um, channeling my emotions while trading. I would get very emotional seeing, my trade go into red. And of course, I was over risking, didn't know anything about risk management. So I was just using random lots and $1,000 accounts. I was using, uh, I was really over risking on US 30 because I just love US 30 at that time. So in minutes, I would blow an account, and then tomorrow I would fund it because I'm like, I have to get it right. But I laugh about it now, but it was no fun back then.
Yeah,
So, but yeah, over.
yeah, risk management, it is everything. If you
Right,
cannot follow a good risk management system, then there is no way that you will ever be able to make profits, sustainable
right,
profits, consistent profits in the market. And especially when taking the challenge with any prop firm, it is very important to develop a proper risk management system first, because that is what we do.
right,
We are just analyzing how well you can manage your risk, and that is what we want to see from every trader who is taking our two-step evaluation, or it can be our instant funding model. So definitely risk management and controlling your emotions are the biggest challenges that all traders face. And that's very great to know that how you developed the control over your emotions, and you let your emotions go. You did not fall into the FOMO, and you followed a good risk
right,
management.
right, right.
So during that journey, when you were learning, becoming profitable, making mistakes, what was the key moment in your trading career?
The key moment was when I realized that after blowing so many accounts, I had to decide, my savings was almost dry. So I had to figure out, like, you need to get this right. You can't keep giving away your money to the markets. So it was actually when I did the course, the trainer was talking about risk management and he focused heavily on it. So, I would know before I would trade without a stop loss.
All right.
I trade without a stop loss. I would try to stack accounts even when I'm going in red. I don't know the lot size, hoping for the market to turn around and give me glory.
Mm.
So, I started practicing good risk management. 1%. At first, I was doing like 2%, 3%, because you want to see the big wins. So I started just doing 1%, and I realized that it's making a difference in the account. Because when you lose a trade, you lose 1%, you still have 99 more percent to work. So that really made a difference. That was my aha moment. Like, look, if you can just lose 1%, and when you're winning 2, 3%, you'll always be ahead of the game.
Yeah,
So
basically,
that was my key moment.
that's very awesome. uh, you are sticking to only 1% per trade. So
Only
basically,
1%.
yeah, as you said, that even when your winning percentage is only 50%, but you are having at least 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio from every single trade, and you are risking 1% per trade. After the
Right,
10 trades, you are losing 50% of your trades, but you're still in profitable, because you are targeting at least 2 to 3% from every trade, and your risk is never going above than 1%.
right.
I would like to know, how is trading for a Forex prop firm is different?
Uh, Definitely, it's trading for a prop firm gives you, of course, you're working with more capital that you wouldn't have. So it gives you a sense of your efforts are going somewhere. Trading on a small account, it feels like you're making $10 per trade, $20 per trade, depending on the size of your account.
Yeah.
But trading for a prop firm, it gives you extra motivation, like, this is worth your time, because
All
of the
right.
returns that you will get.